You'll often find dates in their dried form. They have a sweet and slightly chewy texture and are often used as an all-natural sugar substitute in baking. They are highly nutritious, offering a wide range of health benefits, from strengthening bones, lowering blood pressure, improving heart health, and more. Let's look at what eating 3 dates a day for a week will do to your body in today's video. Number 13. Provides an energy boost. Dates contain natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which can provide a quick energy boost. Many athletes eat dates after exercising or intense physical activity to speed up recovery. Dates contain very low amounts of fat and even a few proteins, about 2.5 grams per 100 grams of dates. This makes them a healthy option for an afternoon snack to give you a quick energy boost. Number 12. Lower blood pressure. Dates are an excellent source of potassium, a mineral that plays a significant role in regulating blood pressure. They can also help alleviate muscular pain and fatigue. In addition to dates, other healthy foods high in potassium include bananas, peas, salmon, and broccoli. One date can contain close to 160 milligrams of potassium. Additionally, dates being high in fiber also contribute to better blood pressure control. In fact, dates are recommended for treating high blood pressure without drugs, along with similar dried fruits. Number 11. Maintains a healthy nervous system. The nervous system is comprised of the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Dates contain vitamins that contribute to the health and functionality of both systems. The high potassium content in dates has been linked to an improvement in brain function and alertness. Potassium, which is a vital element of your cells and body fluids, also controls the heart rate and blood pressure level of your body. A balanced intake of potassium may help reduce the risk of conditions such as coronary heart disease and heart stroke. Number 10. Beneficial for pregnant women. There is a common belief among pregnant women that consuming dates can help induce labor naturally and prevent complications during delivery. Some studies have suggested eating dates during pregnancy can have benefits. One study found that pregnant women who ate dates daily prior to their due date were more likely to go into labor without artificial induction than women who didn't eat dates. Additionally, in the study mentioned, the first stage of labor was shorter in those who ate dates in the weeks leading up to labor compared to those who didn't eat them. Another study found that cervical dilation was generally higher in women who consumed dates in the weeks leading up to labor, compared with those who didn't eat any dates. Cervical dilation before labor onset is an important predictor of delivery mode, and a high level of cervical dilation lowers the risk of a cesarean delivery. Number 9. Helps you feel full. Dates are rich in insoluble dietary fibers, especially pectin. These fibers help prolong feelings of fullness by attracting water and increasing the fluidity of stomach content, causing the food to spend more time in the stomach. Including food high in fiber, such as dates, and staying hydrated can give you greater control over your appetite, keeping you full for longer. Number 8. Good for anemia. If you're battling anemia, one of the health benefits of dates is its high iron content. Although the sweet taste of dates might not indicate their iron content, many iron-rich fruits and vegetables have an unpleasant taste, such as bitter gourd. However, dates are a sweet and delicious option for boosting iron intake. Number 7. Constipation relief. Your body will get a good dose of fiber when you eat dates. Medjool dates provide 6.7 grams of fiber per 100 grams, and a 100-gram serving of Deglet Noor dates provides a whopping 8 grams of roughage. Most of the fiber in dates is insoluble fiber, which is helpful in relieving constipation. This is supported by an animal study that linked data consumption to reduced gastric transit time. It is important to keep in mind, however, that chronic constipation can sometimes be a sign of a more serious digestive disease. Number 6. Improves heart health. Dates contain high levels of flavonoids, plant compounds shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. Eating a few dates daily is a sweet and easy way to maintain a healthy heart. Dates are also considered a natural preventative treatment for atherosclerosis, a general name for several diseases that cause thickening and stiffening of the artery wall. In addition, the natural sugars in dates can be a healthy alternative to high-fat and sugary snacks, potentially contributing to weight loss. Weight management is an important factor in reducing the risk of heart problems. Number 5. Protects you against eye diseases. Dates contain compounds that may prevent age-related eye diseases. Studies have shown that dates are a strong source of carotenoids, which are compounds with antioxidant properties and the ability to repair eye tissue. Consuming dates may help prevent the development of cataract and macular degeneration in elderly individuals. Number 4. Regulates blood sugar levels. Dates are generally considered to have a low glycemic index value. This means they are less likely to cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels compared to other high glycemic index foods. This is because dates contain natural sugars like fructose, glucose, and sucrose, which are broken down more slowly than processed or refined sugars. For diabetics who are actively monitoring their blood sugar levels, dates can be a suitable snack option. The fiber content in dates can help slow down digestion, providing a more sustained release of energy. Number 3. Promotes brain health. Consuming dates has been suggested to have potential benefits for brain function. Some studies have found dates can reduce levels of inflammatory markers IL-6 in the brain. High levels of IL-6 are associated with an increased risk of brain diseases like Alzheimer's. Additionally, animal studies have shown dates to be helpful for reducing the activity of certain proteins, which can form plaques in the brain. When plaques accumulate in the brain, they may disturb communication between brain cells, which can ultimately lead to brain cell death and Alzheimer's disease. Number 2. Improves bone health. Dates are a good source of calcium, which is important for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Additionally, they contain minerals such as magnesium, copper, phosphorus, and potassium that play a role in supporting healthy bones and potentially reducing the risk of conditions like osteoporosis and arthritis. While vitamin D is important for bone health and can be obtained by sunlight, dates can provide additional benefits for maintaining strong bones. Number 1. Healthy hair. Your hair follicles need proper nutrition to grow and maintain health. Regularly consuming dates can help in this regard. Dates are abundant in vitamins, particularly vitamin B5, which is vital for maintaining healthy hair. Deficiency of this vitamin can cause hair issues like hair loss, brittle hair, and split ends. Eating dates regularly can help minimize these problems. Eating clean, unprocessed foods can unlock many health benefits for your body. Do you like to eat dates? Let us know in the comments section below.